All right, everybody. Big Tox with Toxxic Rise. We're here with Reyes with this beautiful 58, and we need you guys to go through it and check this out.
Yeah. Your P Bad is a con artist, slash, rap artist, slash, rip mics the hardest, slash, run up in your spot, take your profit, walk, never dash, talk but never ask any questions, I teach a lesson, learn the sport, P Bad a gold medalist, making cats sprint like Mo Green with that metal shit, girls on my cock, take my balls and pedal it, player hate, I don't think twice, this shit irrelevant.
So, Art, how long have you had this car?
I've pretty much I had the car since 2013. I bought the car out of in New York, in that area. I can't remember exactly what it was, but it's from the East Coast. And the car pretty much was restored in just factory. And I bought it in 2013, and that's when I brought it down to the South. And I had the car maybe a couple years, about 2-3 years, until I let Joe Angel put his little touch on it, and he was the master creator of
Hall of Fame painter Joe Angel.
Of the top, did all the panels, did the top work, the trunk, and while he had it at the shop, we added some little details to it, like the skirts.
Right, always the small details that make it look good.
We added just some factory error correct, hard to find, like the spotlights, compass, and the cigarette vacuum.
Gotcha.
And the visor and the kit, and we added some the shades to the rear windows.
So all of the little touches that's real hard to find, you found them all.
Yes.
Also, I see the back window deck. The rear deck is painted.
Yeah, he did the back deck and the dashboard.
Oh, so he went all the way through it.
He did it all.
All right, so you say you got the car from New York. Was it any rust on the car when you got it?
Nah, the guy I purchased it from was an older gentleman, and he had restored it 5 years prior to me purchasing it.
Gotcha.
So, the bottom's just as clean as the top, and I restored a 64 back in the 2000s, and
I
learned from that process, and I said never again would I restore a car.
So I feel you. I'm still in that same thought process myself.
It was like a 10-year process, and I said if I ever purchased another Impala, it would be all done, restored, and then all I would have to do is just add my little touches, which I did here.
Gotcha. And now, what's next for this one? Because I know when you're building cars, it's almost like they're never done.
The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put an airbag system, and I'm going with some old school compressors that are off a bomber jet back in the World War II. The compressors that drop the landing gear. Right. I'm going to put 2 of those, and the tanks are going to, what the military used for the soldiers in that military plane to breathe. So those are going to be the tanks, and it's going to have airbags. And then I'm going to put a system. I got some molded kicker panels and rear speakers that Joe also did, and put his pinstripe touch on it too.
Can't wait.
And that's probably it. I'll call it a day. I might add some more engraving to it, and but that's probably it.
Well, when you're ready, you call me so I get some aerial footage of it. We're going to throw it on there, but you my boy.
Got it.
Known you for a long time.
Got it.
Love the car. Love what you're doing, man.
Hey, I love your videos, man. I love the content you're putting out, and you keep it up.
Appreciate it, man. Toxxic Rise, Reyes, we doing it
Obsession
all
Car
day.
Club.
Obsession.
Yes,
Obsession Car Club. Check them out.
Yes,
Their builds are always A1.
That's what it is, baby. We gon' take it there. P Badders.
Remix, I got P Badders in the building.
Man, you know the hood listening right now, baby.
Turn it up.
It will be a big death.
So listen to me, I got a beautiful
where we at, nigga?
Let's go.
I'm about cheese. You must be lactose intolerant. spit bars of death, pack toast for arguments. If something jump off, I don't wanna be slumped off. So I play my wolves close, trying to get jumps off. I wipe the crumbs off the table, got a clean plate. Cops don't roll deep enough to make my team shake. We handle our business, handling business. Got beef, handle your business. I eat that, you handle the dishes. Block work make the world go round. It's clockwork how the birds go down. Every time that the word go round, let a nigga stock up. He done Jacob the watcher, hate has shot up. I'm low key when I spot up. You real but sound better than Carmen Jones singing the cops to avoid lockup. That's about as real as Monopoly dollars. Got dreams of ever stopping me, holler. Yo, I'm lifted, yo, come with it. Put cats through fitness. Have you eating on all types